In this video, I'll show you how to set up 2FA on Crypto.com. So this is very smart to do. To do it, just gonna open up the Crypto.com app. Then from the home screen, click on the three lines in the top left. Then click on your name at the top. Then go to security and privacy, which is the second option right here. And you will then see two-factor authentication right here. So open that up. You can see here at the top it says enable. For me, it's already enabled, but what you want to gonna do is toggle that on. That will start a process like this, setting up two-factor authentication. So first you want to install Google Authenticator or a similar app like Authy. I have Google Authenticator, but the process is pretty much the same. And here at the bottom you will have this code. So just go and copy the code at the bottom here by clicking on the copy button, and it will then be copied. Now open up your Authenticator app of choice, then click on the plus in the bottom right, and select enter a setup key. Now here for the account name, just name it something like Crypto.com app or whatever you want to call it, and then here paste in your key. Then from there click on add. Then here just go and click on the code right here for the CDC app or whatever you called it, and go back to Crypto.com. Then click proceed to verify and simply paste that code in here. Then click continue. If it didn't work, sometimes it has already been reset since it only works for about 15 seconds. So just go back, copy it again and paste it in within that time frame. But then you will see it's enabled. So now you know how to set up two-factor authentication on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.